Hello viewers, Assalamu Alaikum. Hope you are all well. Here I am with another new video for you. Today I will teach you how to open a Qiwa account. So let's get started without delay. First of all, open any browser on your phone. Then search here Qiwa, Qiwa SA. Then click on the login option. Then next, don't have a Qiwa account registration. Click here. I am being told here registration identity number 253. Then give your date of birth. Then next click here. Verification with Upshare is required here. Please enter the code. Then confirm. Then registration, phone number, email address, password. You can enter any number here. Then email address. Then strong password, minimum 10 characters. Then I accept. Click here send verification code. Then mobile verification code, please enter the code. Then confirm. Then account created, you have a successfully created. Log in here with your Iqama number and password. Then click here login. Then mobile verification, please enter the code. Then confirm. Then save password, secure account, then confirm. Then verify email address, please enter the code. Then confirm. Then secure account, please select 2 questions from the list. Then save answer. Rate your experience with user registration. Press any number here. Choose your account type, individual account. Click here. My information. Click here. Qiwa account registration completed. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the new video. All the best.